Hi, some people are bound by roots, others by the wind. Tarapada was a wanderer, never satisfied, never tied down. But he was truly free, or he was destined to always run. Let's explore the fascinating character of Tarapada in Atithi and understand his journey of restlessness, fleeting connections, and inevitable departure. The central theme of the story is Tarapada's constant struggle between attachment and freedom. We will analyze his journey from his childhood to his final departure. Tarapada, who was a born wanderer, from childhood, Tarapada exhibited signs of wanderlust, unlike other children who found comfort in home and routine. Tarapada was fascinated by the unknown. He would listen to travelers' stories with wide-eyed curiosity, longing for adventures beyond his village. You can quote this line, "The unknown world held a strange allure for him, stronger than the warmth of a familiar home." One day, without hesitation or regret, he left home not out of rebellion, but because staying back felt unnatural to his character. He found a temporary resting place at the Zamindar's house. Tarapada's journey led him to a wealthy Zamindar's house where he was taken in as a guest, Motilal Babu. Unlike a typical servant, he was treated with respect due to his intelligence and charm. He quickly became a favorite, impressing the Zamindars with his wit and ability to learn, and he adapted easily. But deep inside, the road never stopped calling for him. You can quote, "He had found shelter but not a home, for home was never a place. It was the journey itself." Then comes the silent bond with Charushashi. Tarapada's presence caught the attention of the Zamindar's daughter, Charushashi, and she was drawn to his free spirit, perhaps fascinated by the life he had lived. Though they never spoke of love, an unspoken connection grew between them, and Charushashi began to hope that Tarapada might stay, not just for her, but for a stable future. For the first time, Tarapada hesitated. Could he trade the thrill of the unknown for the security of love? Quote, "In Charushashi's eyes, he saw a life he could have, a life of warmth and belonging, but the sky still whispered to him." The inevitable departure, freedom or fate? Just when everyone believed he had found a home, Tarapada did what he had always done. He left. There were no grand farewells, no dramatic confessions, only silent footsteps fading into the horizon. Charushashi watched but did not stop him. She understood perhaps better than anyone that he was not meant to stay. To stay was to be caged, to leave was to be himself. The story ends with Tarapada disappearing into the world once again, leaving behind memories and unanswered questions. Was Tarapada a free soul, or was he trapped by his own desires? Did he choose freedom, or did his wanderlust choose for him? Tagore's message is that the story is just not about travel. It is about the conflict between belonging and independence, between emotional ties and the pull of the unknown. Would you have chosen the road or the home, I ask you? This version adds depth to Tarapada's emotional and psychological struggle. Thank you for watching, and if you have liked the video, do subscribe, hit the like button and subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching.